This week the inspector came and we finally passed the inspection, rough-in inspection, and we're ready to move on. Originally we had this step between the bathroom and the shower floor, but now we're gonna make it flush. And in order to do that, we removed those 2x4s. We also shifted this a little bit to the right, and we're gonna have to notch the joists and put the new joist all along, 4 on that side and 3 on this side. So now we have the depth that we need to put our plywood, concrete, our liner, and the tile. We notched down the previous joists, but we added 2x8s all the way down there. They're 2x8s, 8-footers, and they're supporting on the beams there. We also put a 2x4 so they have extra support on the side. And we're gonna be ready to put the plywood. The house was found burned in few areas. We've probably seen it on other videos, but this is one of them. It's right next to the kitchen corner behind the half bathroom. That was it for this week. Next week we're gonna start with insulation and sheetrocking inside the house. Thank you for watching.